at the Prescott Hill Climb with the Veteran Sports Car Club. Do that bit again. Today we've come to Prescott. And again.
Hi there, and welcome back to the channel. This time it's best bits and bloopers. And in case you're wondering, she did actually get that bit right in the end.
So come on, come see what's here.
And we start with the best bit. This was the actual moment when we pulled Celia out of the lockup where she'd been stored for 60 years.
Oh, wow! That's amazing, look at that.
And so began the adventure, although it's not all been plain sailing as you might expect. Chapter 1. Marvels of Engineering.
Well, it's all sort of massively over-engineered.
Yeah.
Our joke with Lagonda is, you know, why fit only 2 bolts when there's room for 30?
Well, yeah. This is what bothers me about nipping the sump off.
Hello, Mr. Sump. Oh my God, there's 20,000 volts. Stories of a bloody house. The 7,000 volt challenge. There's a struggle you used to have to do. Well, I expect the people before us said the same about us, didn't they?
Whereas they were putting in their 99th bolt.
Yeah. Yeah. This is a giggle, let's do this.
These young kids, they only put in 25 bolts.
Yeah, what's the matter with them?
Yeah, we used to put in 200.
Spend all day doing...
They got one of them plastic clips to deal with, haven't they?
Yeah, snap break.
It's got spare spark plugs! Graham, it's got spare spark plugs!
Oh well, that bit moves.
Well, I think everything that moves is a big win, isn't it?
Absolutely. Yes. Okay. Very exciting.
And how do you find driving with the accelerator pedal in the middle?
Easy.
Oh, well done.
You only make the mistake once.
Is there a series of piano hinges on there? Yeah, there's 3, 4, but that's attached to this. Is this the lock?
Can you see anything moving? That ain't doing anything, Fluff.
It's that then, isn't it?
Yeah.
She's moving! She's moving! Hold it! It's only one side that's moving.
I saw the fan belt. Hey, go and get Chris to get us a fan belt for it. Right, gently. Hey, we've got spark now.
You've got to take the clutch apart to do it.
Yeah.
He said, Tim, the thing you must remember is when everything comes loose, have somebody hold on to your feet or you'll disappear. Yeah. It's unbelievably heavy.
Chapter 2. Adventures in Motoring.
Have you ever been out in it?
No, I haven't. No, it's never worked while I've been alive. There's nothing wrong with it actually. It's just it was out of MOT.
I was surprised with the tyres like that.
Back in. Right, that went a long way quick. Oh, you're in charge of choke, are you?
It won't need choking it.
Hey, on you. And did you say there is every chance that this is raced at Le Mans?
Oh, we don't know if it did. It's definitely raced at Brooklands, and there's loads of photos of it racing at Brooklands. Wow. But one of the old boys thinks it might be the 28 car as well. But
That's
I've yet to find out for sure.
That sounds nice.
Then generally, by the time you've got this on, it's stopped raining.
basically an old engine on a very new body. But I'm assuming it was not at all lost on my phone.
It's not every day that you can't get 2 dogs and a car on the same road, is it? Thank you. Dogs.
Chapter 3. The Human Factor.
Oh, yeah, careful, what are you doing?
Are you okay?
Yes, we're good.
Is that too late?
Turning. Yes.
Yeah, look at that.
And the wheels move? Yeah. Bloody hell!
I had the mask on in case the green stuff released scary gases, but I don't think I needed to worry. If only everything else had gone that well.
Oh, idiot. If I do that, we won't be getting the cardboard out. Yeah, looks very clever, that. We'll get the Stanley on face to cut the card away.
Cut a little foot.
Which obviously will create a lot of hilarity when somebody comes to see us.
This needs to go a little bit left. No, hang on, left that way. Left hand down, yeah.
Bloody hell, Fluff, how long have you been out the job?
It's going backwards, don't give me that.
And it beautifully put together. Hi, gorgeous.
Is that going down the ball?
Yeah. Oh no, stay there. Okay.
Have you?
Yeah.
Whoa, Jesus. You look like a lunatic. Sorry. Okay.
Fans with me. Bearing's a little bit noggin.
You're doing a lovely job.
Right. Two-handed I'm doing this.
Haven't they?
Oh, you are. You like ambidextrous. I'd give my right arm to be ambidextrous. Is that a moron?
My dad always said to me, he said, Fiona, he said, there's only 3 types of people in this world. Them as can count and them as can't.
Yeah.
Black finger. He's got a black finger.
Do you need a new glove?
No, don't make a fuss of him. Yes, please. Don't, for heaven's sake. Bloody hell.
There you go, Governor. Chapter 4. Reedy's Wheezes. As a young man, whatever my father might have lacked in the way of ready money, he made up for with ingenuity. Consequently, we found a number of very original fixes.
There's actually a tap.
Yeah, that's to let the water out. I don't think it's meant to be like that.
Have you seen the household tap for letting the water out of the block?
Oh yeah.
Why don't modern cars have those, eh?
No,
It's a hot tap as
it's a
well.
hot
Now, if you think the tap was an ingenious fix, just wait till you see what he came up with for the magneto. Eagle-eyed viewers will have noticed that the 2 distributors on either side of the magneto are different, and this was a mystery that just cried out to be solved. So we took it to magneto expert Adam, who was able to explain what must have happened.
Well, at the time when it first came in, obviously the coil was rotten. It didn't produce a spark. So at the time we couldn't test the distributor to see whether it was working. But we noticed your father had made these parts, so we presume these are obviously replacement distributor parts. So we presume that there was an issue with but until we built it, we couldn't really tell. Once it was done, we found that it was missing on a few cylinders due to cracks in the distributor, and it was arc fuel, hence presumably the reason that these were made in the first place.
But top wheeze was the chassis. At some point, Celia's had a significant bang on the nose, and her front offside horn now points outwards and downwards, as does her axle. The bent chassis and axle explained a couple of odd things we'd noticed. First up, the steering only turned a fraction of the way to the right that it did to the left.
Bloody hell, that's the lock. Yeah, another 8 of them and I reckon we'll be rain lads.
And then there was the mysterious matter of the big wheel. We didn't think much of it at first, but Celia had 3 18-inch wheels and 1 19-inch wheel. Could it be that as an emergency measure Dad had simply put a bigger wheel on to level up the car, fiddled the steering, and then limped home by a circuitous route, taking only left turns? Ingenious, I thought. Impressive even. And then I found an early picture of him working on Celia soon after he bought her. The chassis rail was noticeably bent even then. Oh, to be 26 and braver than wise. Chapter 5. Road Trip. I'm going to finish with the best bit of all so far, which was our trip out in the tin machine. So here it is.
Right, are we ready?
We are. It's quite cosy with the roof up.
It's not bad.
Yeah. Or is that the benefit of being in the front?
Yes. Potentially.
You won't be wearing a hat in a few minutes, I'll tell you.
Oh, is my hat going, is it?
Surprise number 1, that is way smoother.
It's a very nice engine.
The engine is lovely.
Yeah, no, it's nice, isn't it?
I gather people struggled with the gears.
Oh God.
And so they made them with huge ranges, so you didn't have to change
That's
so much.
exactly right. So if you look at the sort of motor and reports and things on the car, you'll see they do a test where they pull from like 10 miles an hour in top gear, and that's a very important feature.
Yeah.
Your car is very rare in that it was built as an open tourer.
Yeah.
Because most of the 3 litres were saloons.
I don't think, and on a T7 body,
Yeah.
it was basically an old engine on a very new body. But I'm assuming it was not at all lost on the first.
It's not every day that you can't get 2 dogs in a car on the same road, is it? Thank you. Oh, they're big dogs.
So it's a huge thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please take a second to like and subscribe so Dad's story can spread to more people. Hope to see you next time. Bye for now.